Ever feel like your finances are scattered across a million different apps? You're not alone. Between traditional banks, digital wallets, and budgeting tools, keeping track of everything can be a nightmare. That's where services like Rocket Money come in, promising to wrangle your finances into a neat and tidy package. But what if one of your favorite financial tools isn't on their radar? Cashapp, the popular peer-to-peer payment and investing app, has become a go-to for many. So, the big question, can Rocket Money play nice with Cashapp? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of financial app integration and whether Rocket Money can truly become your one-stop financial hub, Cashapp included. The allure of Cashapp. Let's face it, Cashapp is cool. It's got a sleek interface, instant money transfers, and even lets you dabble in Bitcoin. Plus, the Cashapp card is like a debit card on steroids, letting you spend your balance anywhere that accepts Visa. But for all its flashy features, Cashapp isn't a full-fledged bank account. It doesn't offer features like bill pay or check deposits. That's where Rocket Money comes in. Rocket Money to the rescue, maybe. Rocket Money positions itself as your financial sidekick. It connects to your various bank accounts and credit cards, giving you a holistic view of your spending, helping you find areas to save, and even automating your bill payments. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's the catch. Rocket Money relies on a third-party tool called Plaid to connect with your financial institutions. Plaid acts like a secure bridge, allowing Rocket Money to access your transaction data without needing your actual login credentials. The Cashapp conundrum. So, back to our original question, Cashapp and Rocket Money, best friends forever or destined to remain financial frenemies? Unfortunately, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. As of today, Cashapp isn't directly supported by Plaid. This means you can't seamlessly connect your Cashapp account to Rocket Money and see your Cashapp transactions alongside your bank statements. But wait, there's hope. Don't despair just yet, Cashapp warriors. There are a few workarounds to consider. Manual entry. It's not the most glamorous solution, but you can manually add your Cashapp transactions to Rocket Money. This takes some effort, but it ensures you have a complete picture of your finances. Third-party trackers. There are other budgeting apps that do integrate with Cashapp. You could potentially use one of these to track your Cashapp activity and then export that data to Rocket Money. The future of financial harmony. The good news is that the world of financial technology is constantly evolving. Both Rocket Money and Plaid are always looking for ways to expand their reach. It's possible that Cashapp support could be added to Plaid in the future, allowing for seamless integration with Rocket Money. Cashapp and Rocket Money, the final verdict. For now, the relationship between Cashapp and Rocket Money isn't perfect. Cashapp's exclusion from Plaid creates a bit of a roadblock. However, with manual entry or potentially using a third-party app, you can still get both tools working together. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you heavily rely on Cashapp and keeping your finances meticulously organized is a priority, you might need to get creative with workarounds. But if you're okay with some manual entry or exploring other budgeting apps, then Rocket Money can still be a valuable tool. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.